In this video, we're going to be solving this question that is displayed on the screen. It reads, if 5 raised to the power negative x is equal to 6 plus x, we ask to determine the value of x. So we write solution, and the question says 5 raised to the power negative x is equal to 6 plus x to find the value of x. So the first thing we're going to do here is to let y to be equal to 6 plus x. Now we're making this substitution for easier simplification. So if y is equal to 6 plus x, if we make x the subject of the formula, we're going to have that x is equal to y minus 6. Let's call this equation I and this equation II. Now if you look at this question, you see that we have x here and then we have 6 plus x here. So we're going to be replacing x with y minus 6 and then replace 6 plus x with y. So if we do that, we're going to have 5 raised to the power of minus, then x is y minus 6 equals to 6 plus s will be replaced with y. So this is y. So we have 5 raised to the power of minus times y is minus y. Minus times minus is plus. We have 6 here equals to y. Now the next thing we're going to do here is to isolate y from the left hand side. We want all the variables to be at the right hand side and then numbers to be at the left hand side. So to do that, we are going to add y to both powers. So if we do that, we are going to have 5 to the power of minus y plus 6 plus y then equals to y. Now the natural power of y is 1, then we add y to it. So this is going to be equal to 5 raised to the power of minus y plus y is 0. We'll be left with 6 equals to y to the power of 1 plus y. Also, let's get rid of this y here. So to do that, we are going to subtract y from both powers. It's going to be equal to 5 raised to the power 6 minus 1 equals to y raised to the power 1 plus y minus 1. We're going to have 5 to the power of 6 minus 1 is 5 equals to y raised to the power of 1 minus 1 is 0. So we'll be left with only y. Now if you have a raised to the power a equals to b raised to the power b, we can say that a is equals to b if and only if a and b are positive integers and they are greater than 1 over e. Alright, now since 5 here is greater than 1 over e, we can simply equate it to y. So we can write that y is equals to 5. But this is not the final solution to this question. Remember, we earlier made an assumption or a substitution. So we say let y is equals to 6 plus x, and then we say that x is equals to y minus 6. We have to find the value of x. So to find the value of x, we're going to substitute y to be 5. So using the equation II, we have that x is equals to y minus 6, then x is equals to y is 5 minus 6. So we have that x is equals to 5 minus 6 is equals to negative 1. And so minus 1 is the answer to this question. Now, thank you for watching. Feel free to subscribe to this channel, like this video, drop your comments and share with your friends. Keep learning and enjoy the rest of your day.